After more than 2 months of evading the reach of law, the suspected mastermind in the killing of Colonel Samuel G. Afdal, more known to us as Saga, is now behind bars and will have a day in court to answer for the crime that was driven by an unimaginable act of betrayal. All those allegedly involved in the horrible act are now under the spotlight of justice. This development significantly boosts our morale and that of his friends and associates who deeply care for him. Hence, we are ever emboldened to continue to fight for justice, if only to honor the name and legacy of Saga. This recent breakthrough in the case was made possible by the collaborative work of our gallant police officers from the Bunawan Agusan del Sur Municipal Police Station led by Major Ralph Jezen Perez, Directorate for Operations of Agusan del Sur Provincial Police Office led by Lieutenant Colonel Govin Guanzon, Agusan del Sur Police Provincial Intelligence Unit led by Lieutenant Colonel Bonifacio Estrella Jr., 1st Agusan del Sur Police Provincial Mobile Force Company led by Captain Hudson Bangin, Police Regional Special Operations Group 11 led by Lieutenant Colonel Hamlet Lerios, Ibawe Bukidnon Municipal Police Station led by Major J.B. Babaan, and 2nd Bukidnon Police Provincial Mobile Force Company led by Lieutenant Colonel Alfredo Ortiz Jr. We salute their resolute effort in tracking, locating, and eventually arresting in Kibawe Bukidnon Ryan Mark Bailon as ordered by the court. For the sterling work which they did previously, which helped us reach this stage in our struggle for justice, we are always grateful to the Army's 75th Infantry Battalion, the Death Investigation Division of the National Bureau of Investigation, the Rosario Agusan del Sur Municipal Police Station, and the Agusan del Sur Provincial Prosecutor's Office. As we have said before, the steady grind of justice consoles us as we move on from our tragic loss of Saga more than 2 years ago. We continue praying for this flow of justice will go on unimpeded. Sincerely, the Afdal family.